Hello. 2018 Chrysler Pacifica water pump. I'm gonna try to use Gates water pump, even though this one is made in China. Overall, what I think, turns nice, but I can see some playing up and down in the pulley. Yeah, it's not perfect. Got some side effects. I cleaned up some like something like that. Gasket is original Mopar gasket. It was bent in a package though. I straightened it out. So that's yeah, I got everything clean. Actually, if you doing a water pump on this guy, I took the bumper out for a different reason, because of a horn, but I think this is a lot easier to do if you take out this headlight. You can at least see what you're doing, because this car so far is probably the worst car I worked on as far as the things how to get to. Like, look at this bolt. How are you supposed to unscrew this? I don't want to take out ABS module. Well, I got here with an open wrench and just loosened it, but that's like, come on, and that's how everything is. Drain plug, it's like you can get the hand from here, but you cannot turn it. Well, that's kind of a... I would love to put the original pump on it, but it's on a national back order. And this one, actually I think this one is not perfect either, as far as the straightness. Yeah, this car doesn't even have that many miles on it. I think like 70 or something. Well, I guess I'm gonna give it a shot. Before I used Gates parts, never had any problems, but it's a China Gates. I wish I had a couple of them to choose from, to at least find the one that is better on the pulley. But it's not as bad as it can be. But no, it's out a little. I don't know. Another thing, this pipe is pressed in with a grease. I had to clean out the grease from here. Well, I don't know, I guess have to put it on and see, but I don't know, there is not much of a choice for this car. Alright, I'll give a shot on this pump. Thank you.